It is now my singular honor, my privilege to officially launch the Kisii County Alternative Justice Systems County Action. That is one. 2, the Kisii County AJS Model, because you are not like any other. Yours is different. It is predicated on your own culture, and that culture is well celebrated because it is predicated on respect for one another. Number 3, the Kisii AJS Suite, the one we launched there together with the municipal courts. No longer will your people be treated with indignity, being dragged around because they have committed an infraction against the bylaws. They will be tried in dignity at the municipal court. Congratulations. Congratulations. All the problems we have, all the burdens we have a place to go and meet our AJS practitioners, the wonderful men and women who are ready to meet us at the point of our needs and resolve our problems. We realize that this is a shared responsibility, and we have to work together to serve Kenyans who travel long distances to come to court. So that is why we have embraced technology, and we are trying to help litigants to save time and money if they can embrace e-filing and also virtual courts and other technology that we have embraced, even to reduce the human interaction, where also when we reduce the human interaction, it reduces also the incidences of corruption. So we continue working closely with everybody, and we have heard your requests that, and we have seen it, I have seen it for myself, the infrastructural needs for this county, for the judiciary. They are dire. It is not sustainable. There is no way you have a problem, you look for money to come and file a case in court, you are paying taxes in everything you do, and then at the same time, you come and pay money to facilitate somebody who has already been paid. So the Integrity Committee here, I'm told, is doing a lot of work to first of all root out the brokers, because there are many brokers, there are many agents who become the interveners to say, I know the judge, I know the magistrate, I know I can do this for you, I can help you here, give the money, I'll take it to court. Please, when they come to you, I don't know what you can do to have them arrested, because we have to deal with this menace. We have created this structure of platform through which the court users can engage directly with the justice system. I encourage the people of Kisii to actively participate in these forums, to share your experiences, to raise your concerns and contribute to improving justice delivery. Your Excellency, you spoke about corruption, bribery, or issues of integrity, and it is important for us to caution ourselves, even as we deliver this baby of AJS. One thing we have to protect it from is matters of corruption or bribery. This We have said many times as the judiciary, we practice and encourage the policy of no corruption in the judiciary, because indeed corruption in all its formats, bribery is a crime. And therefore, if we are delivering justice for all those of us who are people of faith know it comes from God. Justice cannot be delivered with one hand and the other hand is committing a crime of taking a bribe. And that's why we have also another platform of integrity committee in every court. The integrity committee is made up of us, the lawyers who practice before us, because they are the link between us and the litigants we serve. We have the DPP, we have the EACC, also as members of the integrity committee. What we are telling the public is that we are paid by you through your taxes that you pay. And therefore there is no justification for anybody to ask for a bribe so that they can give a favorable judgment, a ruling, or a order. That is fraud, that is theft, that is unacceptable, and we must say no to that in Kisii County Judiciary. It's really to ensure that we continue to work with the people so that the people themselves become the champions of justice, and that we extend alternative justice system to all corners of the county, but also for our national journey towards building a justice system that is more accessible, that is more inclusive, and that is responding to the needs of our people. It is what we call people-centered justice. And for us, that is our road to the vision 2060 as the judiciary. If we can make justice a lived reality for everybody. So today's launch reaffirms our constitutional commitment to ensure that justice reaches every Kenyan through pathways that respond to their lived realities. And those of us who went to the suite, to the Koome, we were explained the various pathways. Justice is not only found in the courtroom, it's found in our families, in our communities, in our marketplace where we work. And this is really a constitutional imperative that has transformed our understanding of justice by requiring courts to promote alternative forms of dispute resolutions and that are consistent with our constitutional values. Through the trainings of our AJS practitioners, we were told also the boundaries of the cases that can come to our AJS system, because research was done here when they were working on the county action plans, and it emerged that the major problems in Kisii are to do with succession. I cannot understand for my life why a brother would take another brother to court, a sister, a brother, they are even taking their parents to court. We were told some cannot even wait for their fathers to die in dignity. They inherit, but their hurriedly taking them to court to give them what is due to them. So these are the cases that our practitioners are going to help us resolve. Land disputes also remain the dominant source of conflict within the county, and we were told it's not just land, there will be other criminal offenses that arise from the boundary disputes. So we really intend to make this a county of harmony, where people talk to each other, because we were told the reason why these problems are escalating to court is because people stopped talking to each other.